Hello, good morning mga ka-channel. Tayo ay nagluluto ngayon ng fried chicken. Crispy na itong skin, guys. Yan. Fried chicken. Crispy, crispy fried chicken. Sarap nito, guys. Yan, malutong na fried chicken. Ang ginamit kong oil dito, guys, is coconut oil. Yan, gawin lang natin itong mga 1 minute. 1 minute cooking. Parang ang tagal na ng 1 minute. Yan. Malapit na tayong maka 1 minute. Yan. Panoorin lang natin itong aking cooking ng crispy chicken. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching and see you again next time. Bye!